Ready for the dictation? Start. The Honorable President has also pointed out this feature in his address. Stop. It is a great achievement in itself. Stop. We have also been able to increase our production of food grains to 166 million tons, and it is likely to touch 170 million tons. Stop. The whole credit for this achievement goes to farmers and agricultural labor of the country. Stop. Our programs have been the major contributing factors in our achievements. Stop. The schemes for farmers envisaged in the last budget, which are presently under operation by the government, have had their substantial impact on the record production of food grains. Stop. Even in future, we will be able to show to the entire world that in the field of agriculture, India stands amidst the advanced countries of the world. Stop. Another major achievement of our government under the leadership of Honorable Shri Rajiv Gandhi has been the development of science and technology. Stop. By developing rural areas in any form, we are in effect developing the country. Stop. The present budget has many welcome provisions related to the development of rural areas. Stop. What is sad about it is that whenever there is such a budget, we find a number of obstacles in our way. Stop. We have not been able to implement some of the programs of the last year's budget. Stop. I would suggest that all the provisions made in the central budget should be evaluated at the state level and at the district level. Full stop.